Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Cellular or Mobile Data. This is where roaming controls live. Make sure the device is unlocked and has at least 20% battery because you may toggle network services. If you use dual SIM, pick the active line. Once done, note your carrier name and APN since some steps differ by provider. This prepares you to change switches safely and avoid unwanted network connections while traveling. Now, disable data roaming for every active SIM to stop international charges. This prevents handoffs to foreign towers. If you need absolute certainty, turn off cellular data entirely. Apps won't use mobile networks. For short-term control, enable airplane mode, then re-enable Wi-Fi to keep internet via trusted hotspots. Make sure to check both the primary and secondary SIM settings. Some phones require per-line toggles, so inspect each one before moving on. Finish by restarting your phone to ensure the changes take effect. This closes lingering connections. Next, log into your carrier account to confirm roaming services are disabled and remove any roaming add-ons that could auto-reactivate. If you still see roaming, reset network settings. This clears saved networks and APN entries. Finally, contact your carrier with exact error messages if problems persist. They can block roaming at the account level and explain any billing protections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.